Hello everyone, if your GTA 5 will not launch when you click on the game and it does nothing, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that annoying bug when you try to launch your GTA 5 easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the file explorer, you're going to go into your GTA 5's directory, and here what you need to do is you need to delete all of these files that I'm highlighting. So just delete all of the files except for the x64 ones. Just leave the x4 files, delete everything else except for the folders. And after that, you're going to go into your platform where you have the game on. So I have the game on Epic Games. Open Epic Games up. You're going to go into your library. You're going to click onto these three dots right next to Grand Theft Auto 5. You're going to go into Manage. And then you're going to click Verify on here. And when you click on Verify, it will verify the game's files and it will download all of those files that you just deleted. Don't worry, they are small, about 140 megabytes. And so it's going to take a minute to download all of those files. And once it downloads all of those files, you can go ahead and play the game. So I'm going to fast forward this and I'm going to show you how the game works then. Once these files are done downloading, GTA 5 is working correctly. It's not crashing anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.